Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z9 footage on your Mac, seamlessly integrating it into your editing workflow with this comprehensive guide. First, ensure your Nikon Z9 is powered off and the memory card is safely removed. This is where the magic begins: the memory card. For optimal organization and speed, a high-quality card reader connected directly to your Mac is your best friend. Avoid connecting the camera directly to your computer for file transfer, as it can be slower and introduce potential errors. Insert your memory card into the card reader. You should see it appear on your Mac's desktop, usually labeled with the card's name or a generic drive icon. Now, let's create a dedicated folder on your internal drive or, ideally, an external hard drive for your Nikon Z9 footage. This keeps everything tidy and prevents clutter. Open the memory card in Finder. You'll typically find your video files within a folder structure created by the camera, often labeled DCIM. Within DCIM, you'll find your video files, usually in high-quality formats like ProRes or H.265. Select all the footage you wish to import. Drag and drop these selected files into the dedicated Nikon Z9 footage folder you created earlier on your Mac. For editing software like Final Cut Pro, the process is just as straightforward. Open Final Cut Pro and create a new project. From your project library, navigate to the location where you saved your Nikon Z9 footage. You can import the entire folder directly. Final Cut Pro will then ingest and organize your clips, ready for editing. For other editing software, follow their specific import procedures, always pointing to the folder where you've stored your footage. Properly ingesting and organizing your Nikon Z9 footage ensures a smooth and efficient post-production workflow. Happy editing!